Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete playlists on YouTube. So you first need to go to the bottom of YouTube and then go and tap on library in the far right of the navigation bar. So to get your library on a computer as well, all you need to do is go over to the left hand side on YouTube and then go and click on library. You may need to go and expand the sidebar. And now what we need to do is go and find the playlist we want to go and delete. So what you can do is scroll along here. So what you can also do is tap on view all to go and view all your playlists. And you can also do this on computer as well. As I have said now, there are two different ways you can go and delete a playlist. The first way is just by deleting it from the sort of playlist page here. In this case here, I want to go and delete the videos playlist here. So go over to the far right. And as you can see, there are three dots. Click there. And then as you can see, this thing gives us two options, delete or edit. So I could then go and tap on delete like this, and I will need to go and confirm my decision. In the other way, I could do it by just clicking into the playlist itself. And then what I can do is go to the top right and tap into three bars and then go and tap on delete playlist here as well. And that applies to computer as well. So when you go and see a playlist you want to go and delete, just go to the bottom right and you can then go and tap on delete from the library page. So I will go and tap on delete just like this. And then as you can see, it then says playlist deleted, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.